Hi, in this video, I will show you how to access resources and activities on the website. First, go to the Learning Resources page. There are 4 resources about cyberbullying. Please take your time reading and watching, and take notes if needed. After finishing this page, go to the Activity and Quiz page. You can access by pressing on this button or the top button here. In the Activity and Quiz page, you will find an interesting activity about cyberbullying. You can access the full screen by clicking the red arrows here. And after that, you will find a homework. It's a Kahoot quiz. You can access the Kahoot quiz by clicking on the photo here. Or if the photo didn't work, you can go to the link kahoot.it and use the code here to enter the game. All the questions of the quiz and activity are based on information mentioned on the Learning Resources page. If you want to extend your knowledge about cyberbullying, please go to the Extra Resources page. If you are being cyberbullied and you need help, please go to the Help page. You can contact me as well by submitting the form here. Finally, if you want to access the website references, please click here. Thank you.